Hello, what is up? Furu here, and today we're going for an audio comparison test between the DJI Mic Transmitter, the DJI Mic 1, and the DJI Mic 2. Here, the DJI Mic Transmitter came with the DJI Pocket 2 Creator combo, and you can only pair it to the DJI Pocket 2. The DJI Mic 1 I have here is a single transmitter, and the DJI Mic 2 is included with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. As you may have noticed, I am recording with these three mics at the same time. The DJI Mic Transmitter is recording audio to the DJI Pocket 2, while the DJI Mic 1 and DJI Mic 2 are recording using their internal backup recording, zero gain, low cut disabled. The DJI Mic 2 is recording on 32-bit float. Alright, so here's the DJI audio mic comparison while I'm walking around the mall. Again, I'm recording audio using three microphones at the same time here. So that's the DJI Mic Transmitter, the DJI Mic 1, and the DJI Mic 2. So all these microphones are recording at the same time. The DJI Mic 1 and DJI Mic 2 are recording using their internal recording, while the DJI Mic Transmitter is recording through the DJI Pocket 2 because there's no other way to pair if you don't have the DJI Pocket 2. So I'm just walking around the mall, and right now we're going to like a kind of a busy, noisy place. It's time zone, so let's test how it can catch up with the noise. Well, I've been here like a few minutes ago. It's not that noisy, but we'll still go and record some footage while I do some mic tests. Mic test, mic test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plosives. Pa, pa, ba, ba. Sh, sh. All these microphones have the windscreen installed. Yes, okay, here we go. It's kind of noisy here now. I'm still going to talk while going around. Mic test, mic test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plosives. Plosives. Pa, pa, sa, sa. So I'm recording with the mics pretty close to each other. And they're like just 2 to 3 feet away from me. So they're like really pretty close to my mouth right now. And I carry them like this. Yeah. Alright, so we're still going around. But I guess there's no more noisy area in here. Other than if you go inside the karaoke booths. Gotta be really noisy. Okay, one last test. This area, mic test, mic test. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Plosives. Pa, pa, ba, ba, sa, sa. Okay, let me know which mic you are using. Which mic do you prefer to use? Then again, this has been Furu. Thank you so much for watching my DJI mic audio comparison. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. See ya.